it's all like that lower neck that you feel that.
Oh my god.
That's bad.
I know. That's crazy. I know exactly where it is.
Yeah, I know exactly where it is. It's right there. It's shit. That was amazing.
My soul left my body right now.
So, right there, that's your C1.
I'm very stressed.
All the way down. That was.
Oh my god. That was insane. Oh my god. I think